We're 1,000 miles from coming. We can travel land to sea.
Come on! Perfecto!
The first pot took this guy's money.
Get out!
Vlog update. The hurricane isn't doing shit, just a bunch of wind. I'm out here playing volleyball in the hurricane. Boring day. Alright guys, we're out here playing some football in the hurricane.
Perfecto!
Alright guys, it is go time. We're gonna go back in the rain. In the hurricane. We're gonna go back in the rain of the hurricane. Oh fuck, we're going fast. Woo! Hella trees. Ow! So guys, we out here. I found a pond/lake. I'm gonna go inside to see how deep. Oh fuck! I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go inside to see how deep it is. I don't even know. Should I be wearing this? Fuck! Oh fuck! Too many snakes in this bitch. Oh! Guys, we're gonna run an exquisite poker game out in the pod where we're all wearing suits. Let's see how it goes. $10 buy-in.
I would recommend you. You should go behind the
First hand of the game. I'm winning. Got the first pot. Took this guy's money. Guys, an update on my poker thing. I lost it all. Yeah, before like 12 o'clock. So. What's up guys? As you know, it's the hurricane vlog, but sadly it didn't bring much. It was a shitty ass hurricane, but thanks to that I fell into a bunch of bad habits of staying up late, not eating very well. Now all that is gonna change very soon. As I said, it's lock-in season. I haven't been to the gym in like 2 weeks because of my shoulder injury. Not a lot of cardio either. I do have a midterm exam due Tuesday, and overall I feel like this week is going to be a pretty hard week. So I want to lock in, do a bunch of work, and then at the end of this vlog will be the finale, and then we're going to go out, we're going to have some fun. I promise you this is going to be one of the more fun vlogs. On my last vlog, which where it's like a bunch of yapping, a lot of like situation explanation with like frats and stuff. The reason why I'm low-key getting the 3 a.m. motivation right now, as I just recently watched a motivation YouTube video, and we're just gonna journal and call it a night, and then wake up tomorrow at probably like 11:30. But after that is when we lock in. What's up, guys? We're here for our very first PCT pledge event. We're in the car. What is up, y'all? I'm going to my very first frat soccer game. I'm just going out there to watch and support. Alright guys, let's talk a little bit more about my academic side of college right now. I have an exam due at 6 p.m. today. I have 2 attempts. It is 1 p.m. right now. I have class at 2, from 2 to 3, maybe a little later than 3. The exam approximately takes no more than 75 minutes. I have 2 attempts. I'm studying right now, trying to cram everything in. I'm decently confident. I feel like I'm smarter than everyone around me, at least more knowledgeable about this subject. That's a little of the time crunch, the pressure I'm experiencing right now. Class, after my second class at 2 o'clock, I'm going to try to take my first exam. Right now I'm just taking a practice review, which is like 67 questions. Say it one more time.
I missed my first test. I'm sorry. I'm not been an academic weapon.
How though?
How?
Explain how.
So I woke up at like 8 o'clock, set my alarm to study for this test. You know, it's an easy test, but I needed to study because I'm like, I don't know. And then I clicked snooze on my alarm, and I woke up at 12. I'm like, test was at 11. So I was so fucked. And maybe I can get a retake because it was the first test I've taken in college. It was my first ever college test I missed. That's even worse. That's the worst. That's the worst thing about it, actually.
I've never. So guys, I finished my micro midterm exam. Got a 72.5. Fuck that exam. That was bullshit. I studied at least like a good amount of time. I knew my shit, but the questions were bullshit. But now we got this frat event that we're going to. It's a dress professional. So you gotta put on the jacket, the suit, the tie. So right now I'm pretty busy. Got someone calling me. I'm a busy man, college man. As well, we're gonna press on. Alright guys, we're officially initiated in my frat. We're playing late night poker now.
My luck's so shit today.
What is up guys? Just finished with my class. Then I hit the gym. I hit arms and shoulders. I don't know if I told you already, but I injured my shoulder like 2 weeks ago from wrestling. This guy, he contorted my shoulder, and I had to sit out from the gym for like 2 weeks. And I thought it was fine, but I concluded that it's a real delt tear. I have a tear in my real delts, which prevents me from hitting any real delt exercise, as well any tricep exercise. As I believe when I put my arm in this position or like this position, my triceps are connected to the real delts. Therefore, it's like causing like a sharp pain, preventing me to perform these exercises. So that's a big bump in the road. So, yeah, we're gonna take it easy. We're gonna fully recover and not make it worse. What is up, guys? Just finished with my math. That shit took like 3 hours to do, but we're finally done. It's like, now we're heading over to the rec because I need to replace my back tire as I popped it.
Tell him to get out!
He's a fucking
Get out!
So I just found out I have a lot of stuff to do for my frat, a lot of events, but honestly I'm really excited to do them. It's low-key my type of shit, so I'm excited for that. When I got back, I didn't do no work that I was supposed to do, but earlier today was a really good day. I did everything I said I was going to do. It's up after, anything after 9:30, I folded, and now we're a little behind on work, but tomorrow will be a full library day. Woo! So tonight we're just going to do some journaling. And Friday we have something very special planned. We are going to Halloween Horror Nights. I mean, not Halloween Horror Nights.
You're going to Halloween Friday?
What's up, guys? We are doing yoga in the kitchen. Post party.
Yeah. What did you do at PCC, bro? We do professional events. It was really good.
Play poker, you need to.
Play.
Play poker, you need to play.
Two.
Two. Win.
Put
Cards.
After.
What did you wait? What did you say? What cards after?
Put card down
to
after.
put card down.
After.
Everyone puts
In.
Money. Then
You.
Then. What?
Then you
can you
bet.
pay attention? Ian's good with his hands, that's for sure.
Give me the fucking cards. We're playing. I'm all in.
We're playing Among Us in the Peerless room.
Gus just left the game.
Fuck!
Bro, come on! Why'd you fucking held that shit down?
On!
Hell no! Shout out to
Who the hell ripped that? The carpet.
In the bag, and nobody gets hurt. Not running from your love. I'm not fast, so I'm making it worse. My roses, I give it was a gift to the curse, and now I'm drinking too much. So I'm talking with a slur. Last time I saw you, and I did it in the blood.
Yo, Pompeii, Pompeii.
Something child in the cities we love.
My God.
We're 1,000 miles from Camelback. We have traveled land to sea. But as long as you are with me, if you gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. No place I'd rather be. No place I'd rather be. Suicidal, suicidal.
Bro, I don't have that much storage, bro. What is up, guys? We're going to Hollow Scream with 5 other people. We're gonna ride in the back of this truck. Let's go. We're about to get scared.
Is there a cord? Yeah.
Saved us, he can save you.
I guess.
Julian, 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 Julian.
Come on, Julian. Last one. Best one, Vegas.
Make.